Okay, for this video, I'm looking at level 17 on WebSec.fr. So for this flag, you can see the site page right here wants us to guess what the flag is, and I guess it'll tell us if it's right or not. Um, you know, we can put any value in here and keep guessing and try and brute force it, but I think a better option would be to take a look into the source code and see what's really up here. Alright, so looking at the PHP document, we can see automatically that there's a function at the top here, this function right here, that basically checks the input and works as brute force protection. So it would be really hard to guess the flag, as a human, and especially even for like a computer or software to do it, it would take a little bit of time. But instead of trying to brute force it, a better option would be to try and send a forge post request in order to get the flag. And that can be done because of this conditional statement right here. As you can see, it's using the string case compare function in PHP, and basically compares two strings and returns a value with respect to the similarity. But instead of putting a string in here, we can actually put an array, as you can see, or send a request to put an array there. And when it tries to compare two values, the string case compare function won't be able to, and it'll return the value null. In PHP, null is equivalent to being logically false, and not false. You see right here, this exclamation mark would be like would cancel out that condition and make it true, or I guess reverse that condition and make it true, and then we should get our flag returned right here in the post request. So let's go and see if that works. Okay, I already have the URL copied for this. So before you paste it, obviously you want to copy it, and then when you are pasting it, you want to paste, where is it at? Paste URL as request. And you can see it's automatically a GET request, so we want to change it to a POST request. And in order to do that, we can just change the request method. You see it's POST now, and now we want to put our payload in, which should just be flag equals whatever. It can just be the definition of flag. Let's just try that. And you can see that in the response, we have our flag right. Well, I'm going to open it larger so we can see it. The flag is right here. Let's copy it and let's try it out. And all right, looks like we got it.